Hi again, and again it is Friday, and here we come with another shlok from Gita because it is Gita in Action series today. So, what do? We take one shlok from Gita and share it with you. But before I go ahead sharing with the shlok, I would like to introduce my two lovely ladies who are with me. I have Anna Goyal, who is the Media Marketing Solutionist for Tour de Force. Anna, hi.
Hi.
And I have my mother, Sudha Khandelwal, all the way joining us from Kolkata. Hi.
Hi, Shilpi.
And the process is very simple. Most of you would be knowing it, but those who have come new, I would like to share that what we do is we take one shlok from Gita. This time it is from chapter 3, verse 30. And then I would read the shlok. Then I would request my mom to translate it in Hindi. Anna will translate it in English. And I will put the context of it and how we can use it in day-to-day life. But since I have my two generation, one senior and one junior with me, so I would love to know their perspective too. So that is what they would be sharing. All right. So team, shall we get started?
Yes.
Perfect. मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरा. Mom, can you please translate it in Hindi?
Yes, Shilpi. तू विवेक वृत्ति बुद्धि के द्वारा संपूर्ण कर्तव्य कर्मों को मेरे अर्पण करके कामना रहित, ममता रहित और संताप रहित होकर युद्ध रूप कर्तव्य कर्म कर. Now Anna, translate in English.
Yes, thank you so much. Performing all works as an offering unto me. Constantly meditate on me as the Supreme. Become free from desire and selfishness. And with your mental grief departed, fight. Ma'am, can you please take your word?
Thank you so much, Anna. Again, Krishna coaxes, cajoles Arjun and says, don't give up. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on the fight. Don't give up on being that Dharma Putra. And how you can do it? Because Arjuna is all dejected. We know that. He didn't want to fight. He saw his brothers. He saw his uncles. He didn't want to shed their blood. And he was getting dejected, demotivated, and he wanted to flee. And that many a times, isn't it, in our lives, we want to just flee the work that we are doing, the workplace that we are in. We want to change the company. We don't want to be in the same team. Why? Because we are attached to the outcome. And that is where Krishna shares with Arjun that don't give up, because every duty that you will do from now on, you should do it as an offering to me, as a love to me. Without surrendering, all your duties are not going to be of your capacity. So once you take yourself out of the way, your capacity will increase. Your way of doing the work will be so joyous. And in that state, you will do your best. And that is also our success mantra. Don't give up. Just keep on going. Just keep on knocking the door till it opens. Because as long as we surrender, as long as we are not in our own way, we will succeed. So with this, I would request my mother to share her wisdom on this show. Thank you.
Yes, Shilpi. इस बार भगवान इस श्लोक में एक अपना और सीक्रेट खोल रहे हैं. इसलिए कहते हैं तू सारी इच्छाओं को, भावनाओं को, अपने कर्मों को मेरे को सरेंडर कर. जैसे my age is 77 years and being a housewife, सारा दिन घर का काम रहता है और I feel energetic in that time also. अच्छा, कल का भी जो एक बात है कि कल रात को एक हीलिंग आ गई. 11 o'clock I sat down और 1 घंटा मैंने हीलिंग की. Then I slept down. Now I feel myself energetic this time also. ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि उसकी शक्ति से ये सारे कार्य हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि सारे कार्य भगवान को अर्पण कर दिए जाते हैं कि ईश्वर तुम जैसे कराओ वैसे होगा, और वो ही हमें चला रहा है। ये एक बहुत बड़ी रहस्य है।
बहुत बढ़िया, इतना बढ़िया आपने बोला। और isn't it, mom, that if I am in that attitude of gratitude, I can keep surrendering my every moment to the God? And that is also another secret I feel that we all know, but we are not applying. The attitude of gratitude. Be grateful and blessed to what you already have, and do your work bindas. Anna, what would you like to share?
The world is going through so many challenges right now. Everything has come to a halt. All of us are back home. Offices are online. Colleges, schools, everything is online. This is making us feel very anxious, annoyed, lonely. We're not able to go outside, do something which we used to normally do. So this is causing a lot of mental grief and grief. So we don't have any control on this actually. So why don't we focus on the higher self? Why don't we go get that certificate we wanted, thinking we don't have much time right now? Pick up a hobby, pick up a new skill. When we have the time right now, why not utilize it? Don't stop yourself, just go for it.
Wonderful. Anna, what you're saying, concentrate what you can control and go for it. Don't stop. And that is the whole mantra of today. Don't give up, don't stop. So my dear audience, I would request each and everyone viewing over here to subscribe to our channel, because every Friday we come with one more shlok of Gita and you will get notified. Not only that, do comment, do share this video, because that will help us in a lot of ways. And last but not the least, if you can make this platform interactive, I would love it. We all would love it, because we want to know what is the wisdom behind that you also would like to share. So thank you so much, dear audience, for watching us. Thank you so much, team, for being with me and being with Tour de Force in this journey. I will see you next Friday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.